Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming credentials and a recent backup. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Next, open Settings and go to General, then Profiles and Device Management. Look for any Account Manager or MDM entry. Once found, tap the profile to view details so you understand what will be removed and why it controls device settings. Make sure to note any corporate apps or restrictions tied to that profile. They may disappear when you remove the manager. You now remove the manager by selecting Remove Management. This reverses assigned restrictions and app controls. When prompted, enter your device passcode, then the Apple ID password if required. This confirms ownership and prevents unauthorized removals. Once removal completes, watch for app deletions or settings changes. Some corporate apps auto-uninstall. After a restart, check settings for any lingering profiles. If a remove button is grayed out, you likely need the original enrollment credentials or contact the organization that installed it. To finish, confirm the profile is gone by revisiting Profiles and Device Management. If nothing appears, your device is free of that manager. Restore any personal apps from the App Store, and if necessary, use your backup to recover settings and data. If removal fails because the profile is supervised or requires organization approval, contact the admin. Do not use unapproved tools. As a final troubleshooting step, you can attempt a DFU restore to reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.